Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 34 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is joy and sorrow goes hand in hand. So let's start. Life is a fusion of periods of joy and sorrow. As we know that coins has two sides, that is head and tail. In similar way, life has two sides and that is opposite to each other, that is joy and sorrow. Life is a best gift that God has given to us. Whatever we face, whether we are facing sadness or happiness in our life, it is on the basis of God's plan. And we should understand that God's plan is always better than our plan. We should believe in God's plan. We should believe in that Almighty. We should believe in that divine energy. We should have to trust that divine energy so that we can live our life as we desire to and as God desire our life to be. So joy and sorrow is both a part of life, and both are equally important. If one will not be there, life will be felt boring. For example, in someone's life there is only happiness. He will feel bored at some point of time, because when these two things are parts of life, we don't feel bored. When sorrow comes to end and happiness comes in life, we accept it wholeheartedly. So we should understand that God has some better plan for us. That's why we are getting sorrow. That's why we are getting sadness in our life. And if we are getting happiness, we should understand that God has some better plan, that is why we are getting happiness. Joy and sorrow go round in round. Days are not always similar. Someday we are feeling happy, someday we are feeling lost. This is because God has some better plan for us, and joy and sorrow are a part of life. So we should understand, and we should work as a champion. That yes, if sorrow will come, no matter. If happiness will come, no matter. I am rigid. I will do whatever my heart desires. And I trust the Almighty plans. So this should be our opinion. This should be our view according to life. Life is a great gift that God has given to us. Someday we will feel joy, someday we will feel sorrow, but that doesn't matter. That we live the life. We have to be work well to become successful in life. And when successful comes, when we have faith above fear, when we suppress the fear above faith, then only we will become successful. We should have to give more priority to faith than fear. We should trust divine. We should trust that. So joy and sorrow are a parts of life, and it goes round and round. All days doesn't remain same. So we should understand that, and we should always keep smile on our face. We should live life as it is. And if days are not going good, no worries, dear, no worries, because one day your day will come. Someday it is happiness, someday it is sorrow. It doesn't matter how it matters how you face it. And if you will feel that no, I can't, then life is not for yours. Life, God has given all of us same life, same time, same energy. So we should utilize it in proper way. So I will conclude that God has given us a beautiful life, dear. Joy and sorrow are a part of life. So we should balance our life in such a way that in whether it is sorrow or whether it is joy, we become rigid, and we should trust the divine energy. We should trust the God's plan. So that's all for today's video, and if you are liking my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. I will be very happy if you will like my video and subscribe and comment. And if you are liking my video, please comment. So